It's So guys, naka-ready na ako. And pupunta na kami ng airport. So guys, 5:16 yung train. Tapos papunta na sa airport. So kailangan na namin bumaba mamaya. But yeah, may sakit ako guys. Yes, may sakit. Guys, I will see you na lang later if nakababa na kami. And nasa train na kami or nasa airport. Bye! Guys, alam niyo ba ako lang magbuhat ng luggage? Girl power talaga.
Basta 8 minutes.
So guys, mag-vlog na lang ulit ako pag nasa airport na kami.
What if I told you that it cannot get better than baby in the back of my mind? I could have stayed this way for days. And I let it get deeper and faster, and baby I would never be fine. It's a love I couldn't save.
Guys, nakababa na kami. And mainit na. Babas ulit kami. Hindi ko na pa-vlog kanina pero nagbabas-bas kami din kanina.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime?
CR.
Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You think harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, plus the smile you give. You're just so stunning.
Ano? Ito, ba't ganito yung...
Ikot lang yan.
Ito naman. Ano roll up? Hindi, tingnan mo. Parang na.
Something special made me think about you.
Hindi ko na kaya. Okay. So, ito yung Airbnb namin, guys. Ito yung main door. Tapos pagpasok mo, meron na kagad ganyan. Dito yung mga luggage namin. Tapos may kwarto. Dito sila mami. May salamin dito. May salamin dito. Balcony. Meron tayong balcony. Ito yung balcony. Tapos ito, guys, yung ano, yung kitchen. Napaka-aesthetic. So, natin yung balcony. Meron dito, bathroom. Ano tong bathroom dito? Wow! Ayan! Yay! Yung balcony dito, sobrang laki.
When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bed.
Hi guys! So, nakatapos na kami. Nagpahinga lang kami ng very light. And pupunta na kami sa Jollibee. And, picture.
Feeling nothing lately when without you. I know there's something really special. Maybe
Hi guys! So, Jollibee na kami. Kasi lang nakapag-vlog kami. Hi guys, it's the next day. So, paus ako guys. Pero, alis na kami. Nando kami sa outfit check guys. Tagal nila. At kanina pa kami aalis for 10. Hi guys, andito na kami. Yes! Hindi makita yung ano ko. Guys, tapos ako ng picture take lang. Hi guys, hindi na ako naka-vlog kanina pero may mga Pilipina dito and nakapasok kami guys ng libre. Sobrang libre guys. Dito kami sa museum guys. Kaya nga eh. Nakakatawa. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Andito na kami. Kasi guys, nalito-lito pa kami. Tapos late na kami. Ano.
Yun ang sinasabi namin, kaya dapat maaga tayo.
Late na aga na ako guys. So, ready.
Wala, mahuli tayo pag ano.
Lapit na guys.
Dapat maaga.
Guys, nagtatanong kami dito. Tapos ang ano nila, nag-a-ask kami ng ano. Hindi mo sila marunong. Sinasabi na nila, go, go, go.
Susunod dati, pag ano, diretso.
What's up? Yeah, we're hosting tonight. You free? Yeah. Alright, we'll see you there.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July.
Hi guys, nag-search na kami. And hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina or... Pero sorry talaga guys. I hate her to vlog. Pero punta na kami like guys, every corner ang ganda. Yan guys, so...
You're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you,
I like
you.
Nag-picture taking wala kami. Ang hina ng signal kanina. Kasi wala signal. Nakaupo lang kami dun. Ngayon guys, picture taking kami dito. Ang pa-picture ni Kuya, patayan siya.
I was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs now. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know there's something.
Dala pala tingnan yung ano namin. Automatic pala to eh.
Cellphone nandito sa akin. Hindi ka nagtatanong. Binigay mo sa akin eh.
Wow!
Maganda ba sa taas? Parang maganda sa taas.
Sa taas eh. At least makikita natin yung view.
Tara na sa taas.
Kala nyo may driver no, pero wala pala. Hey guys, ito na guys. Kakain daw sila muna guys. Masarap. Sa likod. Pogi ka dyan, boy. Ay kayo sa bagay. Ano guys? Ayun yung isa oh. Ando na kami ganito pero di na ako naman nakapag-study. But, para kami sa hingin. Hi, it's day 4 of Eat Time. So guys, wala kami dito kahapon. Alas 6 na kami. Pero, pumunta kami sa lake ko. Sila ako nakapagod kanina. Nasa biyahe kami. Pero nandito na kami. Yes! Nandito na siya. Para naman siyang Switzerland.
Ito yung liga. What the dog do? Pwede yung...
Hi guys, binay ko na ice cream. Guys, binablog ako yung daddy. Ang lapit na Coffee yung kinuha ko guys.
Bilisan mo na yun eh. What the dog doing?
Ang ganda oh.
Boat bus.
Ay guys. Push ako pinili. So maghahanap lang kami ng mga pagkakain. Na-post story show kanina. Ewan ko bakit nag-stop. Ayun, nag-ice cream na naman tayo. Oreo.
Sign kasi, tignan mo naman. Tignan mo mas.
Oh my god, what is that?
What if I told you that it cannot get better than maybe in the back of my mind? I could have stayed this way for days. And I let it get deeper and faster, and baby, I would never be fine. It's a love I couldn't say.
Smiling, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy world. Well, like a fairy tale comes true. Might be your good time, pumping sweet cake, cookie friends. Well, this is my place for you. Still I seal your December, 'cause I found Mr. Wonderful. I think of happy day. Wake up, lazy birds. Where is your home? Take me there. It makes me feel free, alright. Lonely, lonely, don't say bye. Just do